Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I found a solution to the intense anxiety I was having while backing up in my vehicle. It's this eRapta solar backup camera. I am so glad I finally got this. It just makes a world of difference knowing what's directly behind you when you're backing up. This piece connects to your license plate. The screws are included. We have a 2006 Honda Odyssey, and the company was very quick to send us out the specific screws that we needed. Awesome customer service. Once the camera is installed, the angle is adjustable. The monitor was easy to install. We used the suction cup holder and it holds very well. Then you just plug in the monitor to your carport and you're ready to go. I love that there's no wires that you have to drag across your car ceiling to connect the monitor to the camera. Wireless for the win. I've used it in so many different situations where I really needed to see what's behind me, so I'm not running over children or damaging my vehicle by hitting a rock or a tree. I love having that peace of mind. If you haul a trailer, a camper, or a boat, this will help you to connect your hitch without getting out 3 or 4 times to align it just right. You can back up to it and connect in one straight shot. So if you've got a vehicle that doesn't have a backup camera system, you're going to want to check this one out from eRapta. I'm really happy that I have it, but that's just my point of view.